this is Victor with spiceandadvice.com, and this is another episode of Spice and Advice Drink Edition. It's summer, it's hot, perfect time for a Guava Passion Bellini. We start with 1 ounce of passion fruit liqueur, 2 ounces of guava nectar. You can use juice if you want to, but I prefer the nectar. And fill the rest with Prosecco. We went with the Brut, which is drier, so it's kind of balanced the sugars better. Look at that beauty. And now we're drinking. Oh, that's delicious. This recipe and other recipes are in our website, spiceandadvice.com. Folks, subscribe to our channel in Spice and Advice in YouTube, and also follow us on Instagram, Spice Gnome. Thank you for joining us, and salute. And that's good.